Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply for Amazon store card. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll all the way down to see all the settings, click on see all account. Here, scroll all the way down until you see payments option, and under payments you can see your Amazon credit cards. Click on it. Now scroll down until you see Amazon store card. Simply click on learn about the card. Here you can see apply now button, click on it. Now you'll have to enter some details like your name, last name, street address and so on. Simply fill up this form. After entering all the details, click on continue. Now you'll have to enter your date of birth, SSN or ITIN code, and also you'll have to enter your annual net income from all the sources. After entering all the details, click on continue. After that, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions by Amazon. And that's how you can apply for Amazon store card. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.